Hello students, welcome back to another session, that is day number 2, class 7 mathematics class. We are solving the chapter rational number as decimal. Today we solve worksheet 2 in detail. So let's start the session. So first we know about, that is, conversion of rational number into decimal by long division method. Okay, there are the two types of decimals are there, that is terminating decimal, another is non-terminating decimal. Okay, suppose one example, that is 5 by 8, that is 5 by 8 convert into decimal. How to convert? By long division method. Now first we solve, but first we divide 5 with 8, that is 8. So first we put decimal, then we put 0. So 8 6 48, the remaining is 2. Now due to decimal again we put 0 because we need to, we becomes the remainder equal to 0, that's why we put 0. So 8 2 16. Now 4 again 0. Now 8 5 40. Okay, the remainder 0, means when the remainder is equal to 0, then you stop. So answer will be 5 divided by 8 is equal to 0.625, or simply you can write 0.625. Okay, this is called terminating decimal number, means remainder is equal to 0. Then what is non-terminating decimal? Suppose one example, that is example 2, 1 divided by 3. Now we divide 1 with 3. So divide. So first put decimal, then 0, 10, 3 3 9, again minus 1. Then due to decimal we put 0. So 3 3 9. Similarly this will be repeated. So the answer will be 0.333 dot dot dot, or we can write that is 0.3 bar. Okay, the digit which is repeat, then we can write in bar format. Understand? This is called non-terminating decimal, means the remainder not equal to 0. Okay, now note, the digit in the decimal part are known as the decimal places. Okay, now next concept, that without actual division determine which of the following rational number have terminating decimal or not. Okay, this is the second concept. How to solve? Now you should remember the denominator is the product of either 2 or 5 or 2 and 5. Okay, means the denominator must be the product of 2, either product of 5 or combination of 2 and 5. Okay, similarly we solve an example, that is example number 3. Suppose a number that is 3 by 2. Okay, this is a terminating decimal number. Without, we can divide by long division method, we say that this is a terminating decimal representation, because here the denominator is the 2. Okay, now the next example, example number 4, that is 21 divided by 128. Here the denominator is 128. Yes or no? First convert into prime factorization, means we can write 128 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32, 2 ja 64, 2 ja 128. This is the product of the 2. That's why this is a terminating decimal representation. Understand? Again example number 5. Suppose the number is 127 divided by 125. Simply we check denominator, that is 125. So first find the prime factorization, that is 5 into 5 into 5. So it is also a terminating decimal representation. Okay. Suppose another example, that is 39 divided by 24. This is example number 6. The denominator is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. But this is not a terminating decimal number. But no, because this is not the standard form. Means when we convert, but when we check the rational number is terminating or non-terminating, first of all we check this is a standard form or not. Understand? Here 39 by 24 is not a standard form. That's why first we convert into standard form, then check. Understand? Now 39 divided by 24, we can cancel out in 3 by 3, that is 13 divided by 3 means 8. Now check 8, so we can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. This is the product of only 2, that's why this is a terminating decimal number. Understand? Without standard form check kariba, this is not a terminating decimal number because here is 3 is there. That's why first you check this is a standard form or not. Okay. Now coming to worksheet 2. The first question, express the following rational number as decimal by the long division method. Okay. The first question is 21 divided by 16. Okay. Then first we divide 21. First we can simplify. First we divide by long division method, that is 16. 16 1 ja 16. Yes or no? That is minus, so 5. So put decimal, then 0, 50. 16 3 ja 48. So 2. Then 0, 20. 16 1 ja 16. That is 4. 40. 16 2 ja 32. That is 8. Then minus, so decimal 0, so 16 5 ja 80. So this is a terminating decimal number and the decimal expression is 1.3125. Okay. Now question number 2i, that is 129 divided by 25. Okay. So here we can solve by the long division method. So 129 divided with 25. So 25 5 ja 125. So minus, that is 4. So put decimal, that is 40. So 25 1 ja 25. Then minus 5 1. So put decimal 150. 6 ja 150. Okay. So answer will be equal to 5.16. Clear? Now next question number 3. 17 divided by 200. Now divide with 17 by 200. So 200, first we put decimal, that is 0. Again this is a less than 200. That's why you put 0. So 0. So 200 8 ja 1600. Now 0 0 76 100. Due to decimal put 0, that is 1000. So 5 ja 1000. Clear? So answer will be equal to 0.085. Understand? Now question number IV. 5 divided by 11. So divide by long division method, that is 11. So first put decimal, so 50, 4 ja 44, then 6, so 60, 5 ja 55, then 5, 50, 4 ja 44, yes or no? Then subtract, that is 6, then put 60, then 5 ja 55, again 5, means this will be repeated. So the answer will be 0.4545 dot, or we can write 0.45 bar, because 45 is repeated, that's why 45 bar. Okay, now next B number, 22 divided by 7. Okay, we divide 22 by 7. 7 3 ja 21, then 1, put decimal 0, 7 1 ja 7, then 3 30, 7 4 ja 28, that is 2, 20, 7 2 ja 14, that is 6, 60, 7 8 ja 56, that is 4, so 40, 7 7 5 ja 35, so now 5, 50, 7 7 ja 49, so 1, means this will be now repeated. Okay, 7 1 ja, so answer will be equal to 3.1428571 dot, or we can write 3.142857 bar, because 142857 will be repeated. Clear? Now next question. Question number BI, that is 31 divided by 27. So equal to 31 divided by 27. So 27 1 ja 27, that is 4.40, 1 ja 27, 3 3 2 minus 1, then 130. So 27, 5 ja 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, then 13 1 that means 4 ja. So 27 4 ja 28, 8, 10, 108, so minus 22. So 27, 8 ja 56, 16, 21, so 8 ja 216, that is 4, so 40, so now repeated. Okay, so 27 1, that means 148 will be repeated. Okay, so we can write the answer is equal to 1.148148 dot, or you can write 1.148 bar. Okay, because 148 will be repeated. Now next question, question number BII. The question is 2 by 15. Okay, 2 by 15. Now divided 2 with 15. So first put decimal, so 20, 15 1 ja 15. So 50, 15 3 ja 45. So 15 3 ja 45. So 3 will be repeated. So we can write the equal to 0.133 dot, or you can write 0.13 bar. Okay, because 3 will be repeated, not 1. That's why only bar on 3. Okay, now next question, question number V third I, one number last question, that is V third I. So 63 divided by 55. Now divide 63 with 55. So first 55, 1 ja 55. So 3, 5, 13, 5, 8. Now here is 5, 0. So for decimal, that is 80. 1 ja 55. Then 5, 7, 5, 2, 25, 250. So 55 ja, sorry, 4 ja, 4, 5 ja 20, 4, 5 ja 20, 22. That is 0, 330, 300. Then 5 ja, 5, 5 ja 25, 5, 5 ja 25, 27. That is 5. Here is 2, 25. So 250. Then 4 ja 220. Now repeated 4, 5. So answer will be 1.14545 dot. So also equal to 1.145 bar. Okay. Now question number 2. Without actual division, determine which of the following rational number have the terminating decimal representation. Okay. First I number, that is 11 divided by 4. So here denominator is 4. Yes or no? So we can write here denominator of 11 by 4 is 4. Yes or no? Now write down 4 is equal to prime factor, that is 2 into 2. Yes or no? So here is product of only 2. So that's why it is a terminating decimal representation. So we can write the prime factor of 4 is 2 times. That's why 11 by 4 has a terminating decimal representation. Okay. Now 2i, that is 13 divided by 80. So here denominator is 80. Yes or no? First we find the prime factor of 80. So okay, first find out 240 ja, 220 ja, 210 ja, 25 ja, 51 ja. So write down 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So we can write the factor, the prime factor of 80 is the product of 2 and 5. Therefore 13 by 80 has a terminating decimal representation. Okay, terminating decimal representation. Okay. Now next question. So question number 3. So 15 divided by 11. Here denominator is 11 and the prime factor of the 11 is also 11. That's why it is not a terminating decimal representation. Okay. Clear? Similarly IV, so IV is 22 divided by 7. Here also denominator is 7. It is not the factor of 2 and 5, that's why it is not a terminating decimal representation. Now next B number, that is 29 divided by 250. So here denominator is 250. First we find the prime factorization, that is 5 into 5, 25 into 5 into 2. So yes, it is a terminating decimal representation. Now next BI, so 37 divided by 21. So here denominator is 21 and the 21 prime factor is 3 into 7. It is not the product of the 2 and 5, that's why it is no terminating decimal representation. Okay, but non-terminating decimal representation. Similarly BII, 49 divided by 14. So here is not the standard form. First convert into standard form, that is 7 7 ja, 7 2 ja. So now here the denominator is 2. So this is a terminating decimal representation. Now B3I, 126 divided by 45. So here also is not a standard form, that's why first convert. 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja, 9 5 ja 45. So here is a yes terminating decimal representation because denominator is 5. Okay, we know that only 2, otherwise only 5, otherwise 2 into 5. Okay, this is called has terminating decimal representation. Okay, other than is not terminating decimal representation. Okay, clear now. So next question number 3 4 5 I mean next class complete kariba. Okay, till then thank you.